Hello students, welcome back to my class. This class for the student of class 3B and the subject is science. In the last video, we have discussed second lesson entitled as human body. Let us recall something. First one is cell. You know what is cell? Cell is the smallest structure of which all living things are made. Next, tissue. Many cells group together to form a tissue. Organs. Tissues together form an organ. Organ is divided into two parts, internal organ and external organ. You know internal organs are brain, stomach, liver, kidney, etc. External organs are eyes, ears, etc. Okay, so today we will discuss one of the most internal organs, that is brain. You see, this is our brain. You know, brain is located inside our head. It controls all the functions of our body. It controls all the functions of our body. You know, our brain is surrounded by and protected by a bony structure called skull. So this yellow color is skull. This is skull. Okay, our brain, this is brain. Okay, this is brain. This is our brain. Clear? Our brain is surrounded and protected by a bony structure. It's called skull. So this is our skull. You know, this is skull. Okay, our brain is most complicated organ of our body. You know, most complicated organ of our body. It has three major parts. First one is cerebrum. You know cerebrum? This is cerebrum. Clear? Second one is cerebellum. Okay, and the third one is brain stem. Brain stem, or another name is medulla. Medulla. Okay, so first of all we will discuss cerebrum, that is cerebrum. It is the biggest part of our brain. You see, this is the biggest part. This is the biggest part of our brain. It controls our senses, our imaginations, thoughts. Clear? So whatever we see, touch, taste, smell, think or imagine is controlled by cerebrum. Okay, these things controls everything, like senses, imaginations, thought, touch, taste, etc. The next part is cerebellum, that is this part. This part. This is cerebellum. The second major part of our brain is cerebellum. It is known as the little brain. It controls our motion, balance, and our ability to learn new things. I'm repeating again. It is known as the little brain. It controls our motion, balance, our ability to learn new things. For example, you can walk without falling because of this cerebellum. Also, it helps us with learning new things. Okay. The next part is brainstem. This is the brainstem. You see, or you can say this is brainstem. This, or you can say medulla. The third major part of our brain is medulla or brainstem. It does the few things which are called involuntary actions. Involuntary actions. It controls our digestion, heartbeat, breathing, etc. These things happen automatically in our body. We don't have to put any effort here. Okay? We don't have to put any effort here. Now, 3 questions are arriving at this moment. First question, name of the 3 major part of our brain. Yes, first one is cerebrum, second one is cerebellum, third part is medulla or brainstem. Yes. Now the second question, which internal organ controls all the functions of our body? Yes, this is our brain. Third question, why brain is the most important organ in the body? Brain orders each part of our body what to do by sending message through our nerves. That's why brain is the most important internal organ in the body. Again, brain orders each part of our body what to do by sending message through our nerves. That's why brain is the most important organ in our body. Okay? Yes. Now I'm coming to the next internal organ, that is very vital organ. You know, this is our heart. Yes, heart. You see, this is our heart. Heart is an internal organ of our body. Our heart is a muscular organ which is protected by rib cage. You know rib cage? I am showing you the rib cage. Yes, this is the rib cage. You know? You see, this is our rib cage. This is our rib cage. This is the black coloring. I am not black coloring. This is our rib cage. Okay. This heart is protected by the rib cage, and heart lies in the chest cavity between the 2 lungs. Here is 2 lungs. Okay. Here is the 2 lungs, and here it is situated? Slightly tilted towards the left. Here is my heart. Okay, in the chest cavity between the two lungs. Okay, now I'm coming to the main part. Yes, this is our heart. So heart lies in the chest cavity between the two lungs and is slightly tilted towards the left. Our heart is divided into four chambers. Our heart divided into four chambers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the two upper chambers, these are the upper chambers. Okay, upper chambers. These two are lower chambers. Lower chamber. The two upper chambers of heart are right auricle or atrium. The two upper chambers of heart are right auricles or atrium. This is our right portion, that is right auricle or atrium, and this is our left atrium. Okay, and these lower two portions, this is left, this is called left ventricle. Left ventricle. Left ventricle, and this is our right ventricle. Okay, so what does heart do? Heart is constantly beating throughout the life. Our heart is like a pump. Our heart pumps blood to all the body parts. Our heart pumps blood to all the body parts. Normal range of our pulse rate, that means heartbeat, is 72 times per minute. If you are running, the pulse rate would be increasing. Clear? So main thing is it beats throughout the life of a human and pumps blood to all the body parts. Okay, now the next part, the next internal organ, that is the vital internal organ. Yes, this is our liver. This is our liver. Liver. Liver is the reddish brown colored organ. Obviously this is the internal organ. It lies on the right side. You see, this is on the right side of this human, of our abdomen, behind the ribs. This is ribs. I told you this is the ribs. Behind the ribs it is located. So what does liver do? It cleans our blood. First of all, it cleans our blood. Cleans our blood. Second, it stores energy. Clear? It stores energy. And the third part, it produces bile. Bile. That is called juice. Bile juice. Okay, that help in breakdown of food in the body. It produces bile juice that help in breakdown of food in the body. Okay, bile juice. Okay, now can you tell me what is the second largest organ of human body? Yes, this is the liver. The answer will be liver. Liver is the second largest organ of our human body. So what is our first largest organ of our human body? You know, this is skin. You know, skin is our first largest organ. You know, the skin is the sense organ. Okay, so today's topic is finished. On the next day we will discuss stomach, kidneys and other respiratory respiratory systems, other part of the human body. Okay, please follow this uh, video and try to learn. Okay, thank you. See you on the next video.